Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Don't forget to leave a comment, helps the video out a ton, and click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. Okay, today we have a maple bourbon barbecue whopper. And first thing we need to do is make the maple barbecue sauce. So, to a small saucepan, I have 1 cup of ketchup, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. All right, now we're going to add about 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup. Then we want to add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And then we want to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. A teaspoon of onion powder. By the way, at some point, it might have got lost. You're supposed to add about a 1/4 cup of bourbon. Or 1 shot of bourbon. And then, of course, some salt. And some pepper. Also, you'll need about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, whatever the hell it is, Worcester sauce. And now it's time to add our bourbon. Good old Maker's Mark. And now all we do is just stir this around and allow this to simmer for about 15 minutes. Kill the heat and allow it to cool. Okay, we have our burgers on our grill. The charcoal I'm using is lump charcoal. I'm seasoning them up with that burger blend that I really like that I pick up at my local grocery store. Lump charcoal should be available at any Walmart and should be possibly some grocery stores, but it's available at like Home Depot, Lowe's, places like that. Any hardware store should have it. I really think it does fantastic with burgers or anything that likes a nice, direct, high, hot heat. If you really want to go old school blacksmithing, this is the charcoal you use. But if you, again, not all charcoal is equal. If you're going low and slow or indirect, I really recommend briquettes. So just a couple of minutes each side, and then we'll melt some cheese, and we should be good. All right, let's get to assembly. Okie dokie, let's get to assembly. We're going to start off with some mayonnaise. As you know, Whoppers are famous for the mayonnaise. Not quite as good as the Baconator mayonnaise, but hey, who's counting? And then we're going to add some shreddis, because everything is better with shreddis. 1 of our patties. If I remember correctly, these are 1/4 pound patties. You can do a 1/3 pound if you wish, but Burger King's Whoppers are 1/4 pound patties, and I try to be accurate, I guess. Then we're going to add some crispy fried onions to this. And then just a squirt of our barbecue sauce that we made earlier. Put the top bun on. And that's that. A maple bourbon Whopper. Done. Oh, and yes, I know I didn't add any pickles. I wanted this burger to have a little crunch to it. So, that's why. But, once again, maple bourbon Whopper. Done.